In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel appointment in Microsoft Outlook. If you have an appointment on your Outlook calendar that you no longer need, the process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can cancel it with confidence and make sure your calendar stays organized. Start by going to your Outlook inbox. This is usually the main screen you see after signing into Outlook. If you're already in your email view, you're in the right place and ready to move to the next part. From your inbox, look to the top left area where you'll see the vertical navigation options. Click on Calendar. This will switch you from your mail view into your Outlook calendar, where all of your scheduled appointments and events are displayed. If your calendar looks busy, take a second to locate the date and time of the appointment you want to remove. Once you've found it, click on the appointment. This opens the appointment details so you can manage it. Make sure you're selecting the correct calendar item before you continue, especially if you have multiple meetings, reminders, or personal events scheduled close together. Taking an extra moment here can help you avoid deleting the wrong entry. After opening the appointment, click on Delete. This tells Outlook that you want to remove that appointment from your calendar. Depending on your Outlook layout, the delete option may appear directly in the event window or along the top menu area, but the action is the same. After that, click Delete again to confirm. This final confirmation is important because it completes the cancellation and removes the appointment from your calendar view. Once confirmed, the appointment will no longer appear in that time slot. That's all it takes to cancel an appointment in Microsoft Outlook. It's a simple process, but it's useful to know, especially if your schedule changes often and you need to keep your calendar accurate and up to date. As a quick tip, after deleting the appointment, glance back at your calendar to make sure the time slot is now clear. This helps confirm that the appointment was successfully removed. Keeping your calendar clean makes it easier to manage your day and avoid confusion later on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly learn how to cancel an appointment in Microsoft Outlook.